So your air conditioner just quit on you and it feels like it's 105 degrees inside your home. Your wife's hot, the kids are crying, you're sweating bullets, even the dog is whining. You need your AC repaired fast. Call us now. We provide 24-hour emergency services at an affordable price. We'll send out one of our certified AC technicians ASAP to diagnose and fix your AC fast. We're licensed, insured, and ready to provide you with quality service today. Your comfort is our #1 priority, so call the number on the video now.